ॐ वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम् वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम् ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै ॐ शान्तिः 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 अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धम्
अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धम्
सारवद्विश्वतो मुखम्
सारवत् विश्वतोमुखम्
अस्तोभम् अनवद्यम् च
अस्तोभम् अनवद्यम् च
सूत्रम् सूत्रविदो विदुः
सूत्रम्
अयिवुन् अयिवुन् Is my voice not clear?
Clear.
Huh? Sorry, is it clear or there is disturbance?
Yeah,
I am getting
clear.
Volume is little low.
Actually, it's a
Your
bit choppy,
voice.
Sharanji.
yeah, actually it is a bit choppy and there's a lag also.
Okay, I changed my net. You can increase the volume. Volume should not be a problem. Yeah, now you see how it is. Ayun Reluk
Relak
Eong
Eong
I Ouch Kayavarat
Varat
Lun Nyamagananam Jabhai Ghadadash Jabagadash Kapachatata Chatatau Kapai Shashasar Hal इति माहेश्वराणि सूत्राणि
इति माहेश्वराणि सूत्राणि
अकुह विसर्जनीयानां घण्टः
अकुह विसर्जनीयानां
इचुयशानां तालु
इच्छीर्षाणां कालो
ऋटुरशानां मूर्धा
ऋतुरषाणां
लुतुलसानां दन्ताः
ऋतुलसानां दन्ताः
उपपद्मानीयानाम् ओष्ठौ
उपपद्मानीयानां पुष्टौ
यमगणनानां नासिका च ये दैतोः कण्ठथालु ओदौतोः कण्ठ ओष्टम् What sandhi could it be? Kanta plus oshtam.
Vriddhi.
So we will chant kantaushtam. And another possibility also is there for this specific condition. Condition is when oshta follows. Guna also can in a compound. Kantoshtam also correct. Kantaushtam also. Only when oshta the word is the uttarapada. That's a rule. But we have not seen that rule. So we will chant kantaushtam. Odautoho kantaushtam. Vriddhi. Vakarasya dantaushtam. Jikhvamuliyasya jikhvamulyam. Nasikanuswarasya Ramo Rajamanis sada vijayate Ramam Ramesham bhaje.
Ramo Rajamanis sada vijayate Ramam Ramesham bhaje.
Ramena bihata nishachara chamuh Ramaya tasmai namaha.
Ramena
Ramannasti parayanam parataram Ramasya dasosmyaham.
Ramanasti
Parayanam
Rame chittalaya sada bhavatu me Bho Ramama muddhara. Shri Rama Sharanam samasta jagatam Ramam vinakagati.
Shri Rama Sharanam Jagatam Ramagati.
Ramena pratihanyate kalimalam Ramaya karyam namaha.
Ramena pratihanyate kalimalam Ramaya karyam namaha.
Rama trasyati kala bhima bhujagho Ramasya sarvam vashe.
Rama tashyati kalam Ramasya sarvam bhati.
Rame bhakti rakhandita bhavatu me Ramattvameva shrayah.
Rame bhakti rakhandita bhavate Ramattvameva shrayah.
Ramo me bigitam karota satatam Ramam bhaje sadharam.
Ramo me bhiyo karo satatam Ramam bhaje sadharam.
रामेणापहतं समस्तदुरितं रामाय दत्तं धनम्
रामेणाभृतं
समस्तदुरितं
दत्तं धनम्
रामान्मुक्तिरभीप्सिता सरभसं रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्
रामान्मुक्तिरभीप्सिता सरभसं रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्
रामे रञ्जतु मे मनः करुणया भो राम मां पालय
रामे रञ्जतु मे मनः करुणया भो राम मां पालय
इदमस्तु सन्निकृष्टं समीपतरवर्ति च एतदोरूपम्
इदमस्तु सन्निकृष्टं समीपतरवर्ति च एतदोरूपम्
अदसस्तु विप्रकृष्टं तदिति परोक्षे विजानीयात्
प्रकृष्टं तदिति परोक्षे विजानीयात्.
In between maybe some disturbance. संहितैकपदे नित्या नित्या धातुपसर्गयोः
संहितैकपदे नित्या नित्या धातुपसर्गयोः
नित्या समासे वाक्ये तु सा विवक्षामपेक्षते
नित्या समासे वाक्ये तु सा विवक्षामपेक्षते
प्रत्यया शिवसूत्राणि आदेशा आगमास्तथा
प्रत्यया शिवसूत्राणि आदेशा आगमास्तथा
धातुपाठो गणपाठ उपदेशाः प्रकीर्तिताः
धातुपाठो गणपाठोपदेशाः प्रकीर्तिताः
सु औजस्
तु औजस्
औट्शस्
औषस्
ताभ्यां भिस् ङेभ्यां व्यस् ञसीभ्यां भ्यस् ङस् ओस् आम् ङी ओस् सुब् सु औजस् Do you all know by heart this pratyas? If not, please memorize this. Important. Did I give homework in the last class? Did I teach you Madhulik, right? Lekh Shabda?
Yes, Sharanji.
I gave homework, right? Amboru.
Yes, Sharanji.
Nobody has sent. Did you try or not? Anyone? Nobody tried?
I tried, Sharanji.
I have not seen anybody sending homework to the group. If you don't do homework, then how will you learn? You have to try, then only they will know what mistakes, what possibility, what all the problems will come, we know. Otherwise, how do you know? Huh? I'll keep cheating them, teaching, cheating also, right? Teaching one sandhi after other sandhi. But how will you learn? If you don't apply it and then derive it. Please do homework. Tiptasjhi.
Tiptasjhi.
Sipthastha. Mipvasmas.
Mipvasmas.
Ta'atam jha. Thas atham dvam. It vahi maging.
It vahi.
Do you find sandhi difficult? Yes. You want revision? Tell me. Then only you can do it. Huh?
Yes, we can do revision. It's just number of things have accumulated. So to be able to everything and applying is
I thought if I do the basics, it will be boring. That's why I'm adding one Sandhi every class. Okay,
No,
we'll do it.
that's what I am also thinking, Sharanji.
Well,
First, it
thinking
was
what will
very
do? You have to
clear.
tell it. Huh? You have to tell.
Okay. Actually,
Hmm.
first it was very clear. Then
Ah.
it became all muddled up. I don't know.
Because
I'm
no homework.
hard
Don't.
work still.
Hmm.
I'm little discouraged, Sharanji.
See, you have to work. If you see me after the class, how much you have learned, it will not be more than half my A4 page. Only that was new thing we have learned. We're not learning anything new. We are doing only practice exercises of Sandhi splitting and chanting and adding more Shabdas. Shabdas also we need to learn. Okay. Anyway, we'll go through the Sandhi. Ti, taha, anti.
Anti.
That's why I'm not introducing even Atmanepada Pratyayas also. Only Tasmepada Pratyaya. If I did introduce Atmanepada Pratyaya, what will happen? Huh? Other lakaras, lang lakara, other lot lakara, ling lakara, I'm not doing anything. Only with the lat lakara managing the whole show. Have to work. Si, taha, tha, mi, vaha, maha,
Me, Maha, Maha,
kujati, kujataha, kujanti,
Pujati, Jataha,
Kujataha,
Pujati,
Kujanti,
kujasi, kujataha, kujatha,
Kujasi, Kujataha, Kujatha,
kujami, kujavaha, kujamaha,
Pujami, Pujavaha, Pujamaha,
sutra lakshanani. Do we know? Yes or no?
Yes.
What is that?
Alpaksharam.
Alpaksharam, the 6 lakshana, Shat lakshana. Mageshwara Sutrani, do we know?
Yes,
Yes.
Yes, sir.
And what are how to form Pratyahara or how to know the content of the Pratyahara? We know, right?
yes,
Important Pratyaharas, Jhal, Khar, Hash,
Ach,
Ash, Ach, Eng, H, all these are important Pratyaharas. I hope this must be clear, okay? Don't struggle with the Pratyahara. Must be very thorough about the Pratyahara. Without that, we can't apply, we can't know Sandhi. The application of this is there in Sandhi. What is Jash? Simple Jash.
Jabagadash.
Jabagadash.
Third letter of all the class consonants. What about Jhal?
All
Jal.
consonants minus
Huh?
semi-capital.
Fourth letter of all the class consonants.
Yeah,
4,
fourth
3,
letter.
2, 1 plus all the sibilants. Right? What about Yang?
Ying,
Yevom.
A and O. What about An? Or Ak, sorry. Not required.
All the alphabets.
All the alphabets. I said Ak.
Al,
Al,
Simple
I didn't say
vowels.
Semi-vowels.
Ach plus Al.
I said only Ak. Not An. An not required. Ak.
Akka. Oh, it's a simple vowel. Simple vowel.
All the simple vowels.
All the simple
Shiksha Sutrani. Is there any doubt in the Shiksha Sutrani?
No.
All the Ucharana Sthanams are given. What is the Ucharana Sthanam of Vakara? Huh?
Danta
Dantaushtam.
Danta
Dantaushtam.
Ushtam. Dental and labial. Vakara is. What about Ye? Ye, what is the Ucharana Sthanam?
Dantata.
Kantatalu.
Kantata.
Not Dantatalu. Kantatalu. Is there any Dantatalu? No. No letter Dantatalu. Kantatalu it is. What is Upadhvaniya?
Poster.
Sarga followed by
Oh.
Patha.
Oh, that Ardha Visarga is the sound Upadhvaniya. That sound is called Upadhvaniya. What is Samhita?
Sandhi.
Close proximity of letters is called Samhita.
So, no.
That is the definition of Parasannikarshah Samhita. You must be thorough with all these things. Please check yourself. This is a checklist. Whether you know this. Samhita is close proximity of letters, because of which some change happens. That is also called Sandhi. Samhita, otherwise called Sandhi. The Sandhi Karyam also is called by the name Sandhi. Okay. Ak followed by Savarna Ak. What Sandhi?
Savarna Dirgha
Savarna
Sandhi.
Dirgha.
Savarna Dirgha.
Ik followed by Asavarna Ach.
Yand
Yand
Sandhi.
Sandhi.
And
Varna followed by Ik letter.
Which followed Akara by Guna Sandhi.
Avarna
Sandhi.
followed by Ik letter.
Guna Sandhi.
Guna Sandhi.
What are the Guna letters?
Yeah,
A and
No,
O.
no,
A,
Yes.
O.
Ever.
A and O. And you can add two more also, Ar as well as
Al.
Al, that also. Yam hina vyathayantete Purusham Purusharashabha in Gita is the 15th shloka, second chapter. Purusharashabha. What Sandhi Purusharashabha is?
Yand Sandhi.
Think and
No,
then
A plus is Guna.
No, it's Guna. It's Guna.
15th shloka of the second chapter of the Gita. Yam hina vyathayantete Purusham Purusharashabha.
It's Guna.
Bhagavan addresses Arjuna as Purusha Rishabha. It is Sambodhana, in fact. Here it is. Do you see this in the screen?
Yes.
What Sandhi is that Purusha Rishabha? It's a compound also.
It's Guna Sandhi.
How do you split then?
Purusha
Purusha
Rishabha.
plus Rishabha.
Purusha plus Rishabha. Not Rishabha, Rishabha.
So,
Sambodhana
Rishabha.
it is.
Yeah.
Purushaha Rishabha Iva. It's a compound. You have to spot this as Guna Sandhi. It's important.
Yes.
Purusha. Ar is there. That is why I asked Ar and Al. What about Avarna followed by H?
Vriddhi.
H.
Vriddhi Sandhi.
Vriddhi Sandhi.
What are the Vriddhi letters?
I and O.
I and
Or all.
Don't forget A. A, I,
I,
O,
O.
R as well as all.
All.
That also. You may not see the application in Sandhi. Some other place you will see that. Vriddhi Sandhi. What is the relationship between Ayadi Sandhi and Purvarupa Sandhi?
Utsarga Apavada.
No,
Which is Utsarga, which is Apavada?
Ayadi is Utsarga. Purvarupa is Apavada.
Purvarupa is Apavada.
What is Ayadi Sandhi?
H followed by H.
H followed by H. Then H will be replaced by
I.
I.
A will be
I.
I, O, I, O.
Apavada. To that is Purvarupa Sandhi. What is Purvarupa Sandhi?
Ing followed by H.
Yang followed by
Akara.
Padanta Yang. Very important.
Padanta
Not.
ing
Oh.
followed by
What?
Hrasva.
Then both will be replaced by
Purvarupa.
Purvarupa.
Purva, that is a Yang letter. Yang letter will replace
Yang letter.
both. There are many such sandhis in Purvarupa in the very second chapter itself, which also we have seen. Dehinosmin yatha dehe, for example. Dehinosmin, what sandhi? What sandhi? Purvarupa sandhi. Dehino plus asmin. Agama payino plus anityaha. What sandhi?
Purvaru.
Somrtatvaya. What sandhi?
Purvarupa.
Purvarupa.
You see, all these are Purvarupa sandhi.
Purvarupa Sandhi.
Drishtonta. What is Drishtontaha?
Purvaru.
Purvarupa sandhi. Anashino prameyasya.
Purvaru.
Make this sandhis very clear. Is it clear? This sandhis, all these sandhis?
Yes.
Shashvato yam. What sandhi? Purvarupa.
Purva.
Shashvato plus ayam. You know more, in fact, I taught you. O is nothing but U, A plus U. U has come in the place
Plus
of
U,
Ru.
followed.
Ru preceded by A, followed by A. Uttva
Yes.
Sandhi, yes or no?
Yes.
By seeing that, all these things should come to your mind immediately. Ajo nityaha. What sandhi ajo nityaha is?
So, Guna.
That is right.
Ajo nityaha, you split.
Gunasandhi.
Guna.
Don't say guna sandhi. Where is
What?
guna is later. Split first.
Oh.
Utva.
Utva sandhi.
Utva Sandhi. Then
Who has come in the place of ru. Ru, therefore ajaru. Ajaru is ajaha. Ajaha plus nityaha, ajo nityaha. Ru preceded by a, followed by what? Not visarga. Come on. Ru preceded by a, followed by what? Anyone? Nobody knows, huh? Come on.
Hush.
Do you want to do the sandhi again from the beginning? Yes.
Hush.
Okay, I will do it. I think I understand basic. When nobody answers, then what's the point in for teaching further sandhis? That Uttva sandhi, I will do it again. Okay, let it be there. We'll come back before that is complete. This checklist, you have it, all the sandhis. Okay, then at least, okay. Ach sandhi, you know, fine. Happy about it, leave it. And what about Shabda?
Rama,
I thought of
Rama.
introducing new Shabda, but if you are not ready, I will not do it. What are the Shabdas you know? You tell me. Rama Shabda, do you know by heart?
yeah.
Yes,
Hari,
Guruji.
Hari, I mean,
Yes.
all of you. If you
Yeah,
don't
yeah.
know, please tell. I don't have problem. We will do it. I will not add further Shabda. We will do the same Shabda. You have to know by heart. Practice it. Hari, Guru,
Yes.
Yes.
Pitra and Kartra, I have not introduced. Only Pratama Vibhakti I have given. It's okay. What about Yetad, Tad, Yad, Tad, and Kim? Idam.
Yes,
Yes.
Guruji.
Idam Shabda. Do you know by heart? How do you decline Idam
Yes.
Shabda Pullinga?
Idam, imau.
Dahatam.
Not
I
Idam
am,
Imau.
I am,
Ayam Imau.
I am Imau.
Sorry.
Imau, Imau.
I think from Idam we have to do it. Idam I will do. So all these Shabdas you know. Can I take like that?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Say yes or no.
Yes,
What
yes.
Arvindji? What
All-
Arvindji?
Yes,
Do you know what?
all those I know. Idam I got confused.
Okay. So Idam Shabda we will do. What about Srilinga? Rama Nadi? You must
Yes.
know.
Yes.
Yes.
Huh?
Yes.
Yes, Saranji.
Mati.
Yes.
Okay. I thought of introducing Asmad and Yushmad. I will not do it today. I will do only Idam for all the Linga. And Napumsaka Linga also, I think Idam alone. You let me know when you thorough with these Shabdas. I will introduce other Shabdas also. Asmad and Yushmad is very important. Okay, that we must know Asmad and Yushmad. Fine. I thought I am going slowly. That is why I am introducing one Sandhi after other Sandhi. But anyway, I will not introduce any further Sandhi further. We'll discuss later. We'll do some practice. Okay, you can repeat after me. This is Subhashita. Durastha Parvata Ramyaha.
Durastha Parvataramyaha.
What happened to the Parvata Ramyaha Visarga? I didn't chant that. I didn't check that. Huh? Anyone? What happened to Visarga?
Lopa.
Yakara. Room preceded by A followed by Ash letter. Yakara Adesha, Yakarasya, Lopaha. Yakara, when does it become Lopaha?
Padante.
Padanta Yakara Vakara preceded by Avarana followed by Ash. Ash meaning vowels and soft consonants. When followed by vowel, Yakara Vakara Lopa is optional. When followed by Hash, it must become Lopa. I have not done here Lopa. This is because no Sandhi. That's why we have to take it. Actually, but if you have done Sandhi, then you should remove it. No choice there. If Yakara we cannot retain, Yakara must go Lopa. Anyway, I have not put Yakara. Visarga is there. It means no Sandhi. I have not done Sandhi between the Padam. Because between the Padam Sandhi is Vivaksham apekshate. It depends on the speaker. My choice. But when I chant, I removed it. Parvata Ramyaha. Is it clear?
Yes.
Similarly, second line, there is a
Repeat
typo,
one.
sir. Tell me.
Can you
What's the
repeat
question?
this one?
Yeah, can you please repeat?
When is that Visarga is optional?
No. I'm not saying Visarga is. Sandhi between the Padam is optional. Yes or no? Samgitaika
Yes.
Pade Nitya, Nitya Dhatu Pasarga Yoga, Nitya Samase, Vakye tu Sa Vivaksham Apekshate. What does it mean? Vakye in the sentence, Sandhi between the words
Optional.
depends on the
The
speaker.
speaker.
Speaker's wish to join the words, independent words or not. Sandhi is not a must between the words. So here the Sandhi between Parvataha and Ramyaha, between the two words, Sandhi has not happened. I have not done Sandhi. But when I said, when I chanted this, I made Sandhi. Durastaf Parvata Ramyaha, I said. Is it clear? That I made Sandhi. In the written format, I have not joined. When I said it was chanting, I joined it. Yakara comes or not in the place of Ru. That you understand or not, Savitraji?
That's why I mean, that is
Yaka-
what,
Huh?
no.
Yakara comes or not? That much you must know. Room preceded by A followed by soft consonant hash. Ru is replaced by
Okay.
Yakara.
Yes.
But Yakara, if I do Sandhi, that Yakara must become Lopaha. That is why when I chanted, I said Parvata Ramyaha. I didn't say Parvatai Ramyaha.
Yes.
I did Sandhi, Yakara Desha Sandhi, and Yakarasya Lopaha Bhavati Eva Avashyam. There is no
Okay, got
choice. When Sandhi did not happen, then Parvataha Ramyaha. I have
Okay.
given here for your easy understanding of the words Sandhi has not done. Okay, then second line. The second line is a mistake, is there? Veshyascha Mukha Mandhane.
Vetya
Veshyascha, Veshyaha plus cha. Veshyaha, that Visarga is there. The Visarga becomes, followed by Chakara, Kar letter. What will happen to Visarga? Replaced by,
Initially Sakara, then the appropriate.
yes, exactly. Talavya letter, sibilant will come. Veshyascha Mukhamandane, that's a typo. Yuddhasya tu katha Ramyaha. Tell me. Katha Ramya is not one word. You have to, again. All these are tricky. Katha and Ramya, separate words. That's compound also. So Katha is Strilinga. Therefore, Ramya also must be Strilinga only.
Strilinga.
Yuddhasya tu katha Ramya.
Yuddhasya tu katha ramya.
Trini Ramyani Durataha.
Trini ramyani durataha.
It's talking about which are Ramya. Ramya means what? Ramya.
Beautiful.
Beautiful.
That which is pleasant, that which is charming, that which is fascinating. Ramya, referring to that which is fascinating, captivating, pleasing.
Yes.
From the Ram Dhatu only you get Rama. The word Rama also derived from Ram Dhatu. Sarvani Bhutani Ramante Yasminiti Ramaha. The word is derived from the Ram Dhatu. Ram plus, this is another Pratyaya. Ramya referring to that which is pleasing. Three things which are pleasing in general are given. Parvataha. What is the Pratipadikam?
Parvata.
Not Parvataha.
Parvata.
Parvataha. Pullingaha. Ramashabdaha. Parvataha. Parvatau. Parvataha. Ramyaha. What is the Pratipadikam?
Ramya.
Not Ramya.
Trilingam.
Rama Shabdavat.
Ramya is in fact adjective, all the three genders possible. Here what gender?
Yeah.
You're talking about Parvata, then the Parvataha, Pullinga.
Pullinga.
Therefore, Ramyaha, Ramyau, Ramyaha.
Oh, wow.
Parvataha, Ramyaha. Parvatau, Ramyau. Parvataha.
Ramyaha.
Ramyaha.
So therefore, we cannot say Ramya is this gender. Depends on, it's not Visheshanam, it's an adjective. Durastaha means that which is far away. Durattu pache kannaku kulurchi. Same.
Yes.
Durastaha, Parvataha, Ramyaha, mountains which are far away are pleasant. Yes or no? Similarly, Veshyaha cha mukha mandane. Veshyaha prostitutes. Bhagavachanam. Veshyaha. Veshyaha. Veshya, Veshye, Veshyaha. Srilinga. Mukha mandane means with makeup. With makeup, they have to supply Ramya. Veshyaha, Ramyaha, Mukha mandane. Supply Ramya, the word we have to supply. Srilinga. Now here Ramya, Ramye, Ramyaha. Understand? Because Veshya is Akaranta Srilinga Shabda. Veshya, Veshye, Veshyaha, Ramya, Ramye, Ramyaha. Veshyaha, Ramyaha, Mukhamandane. When they, Mukhamandane means when they are with makeup, they are Ramyaha. They appear pleasant. Then Katha Ramya, what gender? Now what is Katha? What is Pradipadikam? Katha Pradipadikam is
Katha.
Katha only. Akarantaha, Strilingaha, Rama Shabdaha, all Shabdas you know. Katha Ramya. Ramya is what gender now?
Strilinga.
Strilinga.
Because Katha is Strilinga, Ramya also has to be that Linga Strilinga. What Katha? Yuddhasya, the story of a battle. Ramya Bhavati. Yuddhasya Katha, Ramya Bhavati. All these are Ramya. Trini Ramyani, not when you watch it close. Only Durataha, from a distance, from far. Only all these three are Ramyani. Now you see Ramyani, Napumsakalinga is given. Ramyam, Ramye, Ramyani. Because Trini is three.
Yes.
Three also, numbers also declinable in all the genders. Three is Pullinga, Srilinga, Napumsakalinga, all the other. This is Trini is Napumsakalinga. Okay. So we have therefore Trini Ramyani. Tisraha is Srilinga. Tisraha is Srilinga. Treha is Pullinga. So Trini Ramyani Durataha. Understand?
Yeah. Yes, yeah.
Okay. Then we will do revision of Sandhis. I opened so many files for teaching, but anyway, all five is not possible today. We will do Sandhi. Please repeat after me. Vriddhiradaic.
Vriddhiradaic.
This is the definition of Vriddhi. What Vriddhi is? A, I, and O are Vriddhi letters. Adeng Gunaha. Eko Guna Vriddhi. Na Dhata Lopa Ardha Dhatu Ke. Niti Cha. All these I'm introducing just so that you will have some samskaras now itself. That's the idea. Dhi Bhi Ve Vitam. Halo Nantara Sanyoga. Mukhanasika Vachano Nunasika. Tulyasya Prayatnam Savarnam, not Savaranam, Savarnam. Na Jhalo. Halo Nantara, what Sandhi is here? Sutram itself, we have to apply the Sandhi. Halo Nantara's here. Visarga will become?
Sakara.
What is,
Optionally.
how does it become? Yes, optionally. What is the rule?
Optionally becomes Sakara.
Sakara.
What is the rule?
Repa at the end when followed by
Shasa.
No. Repa Visarga already has come, followed by kar letter. Or at the end, you can say avasana. There is no avasana. Suppose if you do sandhi, kar letter follows sakara, kar letter. Visarga has already come in the place of repa. That visarga is replaced by sakara again when followed by kar. Same kar is a nimitta for bringing sakara desha in the place of visarga.
yes.
That sakara will come and followed by kar. Within kar we have shar. When shar follows, replacement of visarga by sakara is optional. Is it clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Oh, again, I will do it anyway. Mukha nasika vachanu nasi. What sandhi there?
Kanasika vachano.
Again, Pura Rupa only. What else? Huh? I think one no is missing. Again, the typos are there. I think I have to correct this. Savaranam also has a mistake. Vachano nu nasikaha. Not vachano na nasikaha. That's a mistake. Okay. Anyway, I'll correct it immediately after the class. Last class itself I should have done. Forgot. Okay. Swara Vyayam Sarganakha.
No, Swara Vyayam Sarganaka.
Tridivatra
Shalaya.
Alaya.
Suraloko Dyo Dve. Striyam Klibe Trivishthapam.
Siyam Klibe Trivishtabam.
Amara Nirjara Devas Tridasha Vibudha Suraha.
Amara Nirjara Divas. Sudhasura.
Suparvanas Sumanas Suparvanas Sumanasas Tridivesha Divaukasaha. Tridiveshaha Divaukasaha. Okay. We'll do Gita Sandhi. Also Gita will take, but little later. Now, whatever Sandhi I have taught you, please see. Do you know how Visarga is born? I'm doing again Sandhi, okay? So you should not miss it this time, Chitraji.
Yeah.
How Visarga is born?
Yes. So that's what Visargas Janana. Sakara at the end of Padam becomes Ru. Repa. Repa is nothing but Ru.
It's okay. All of you can hear me, right? My voice is clear.
Then
Hello. Yes.
Yes, Charanji.
Okay. Sakara at the end of a Padam becomes Ru. Yes or no? You understand this?
Yes.
Yes.
Sakara at the end of the Padam becomes Ru. Right? Then that Ru is
Yes.
nothing but Repa. The Repa will become Visarga when? When
When
does it
followed
become?
by Kar or
followed by
Avasana.
Avasana.
Avasana. This here Rama plus Su. What is this Su is?
One more.
No. It's Pratama Bhakti. Okay. Ekavachana Pratya. Really it is Su. Okay, that U is it letter. Therefore, content is Sakara. That's what I have written here. Right? U is it letter. Content is Sakara. Now we have Ramas. What is Ramas?
Padam.
Padam. Sakara at the end of the Padam will become Ru.
Repa.
Ru is,
Ru.
this is the rule. Ru is nothing but Repa.
Repa.
Now this Repa will become
Visarga.
Visarga when?
Followed by Avasana.
When followed by Kar or Avasana.
You understand, right?
Here
Clearly,
it is
Rama.
Avasana.
Yeah, I have not done Avasana, that is followed by Kar. Avasana will come later. So, Rama. Take the example of Patatas. What is Tas? T, Tip, Tas, G. We chant, right?
Yes.
Third,
Yes.
Kriya Padam second.
It is Prathama Purusha
One.
Dvivachanam. Pata, the dhatu is pat dhatu, then it becomes pata. How does it become? We will learn later, don't worry. Pata plus tas. What is patatas?
Sakara at the end of the Padam.
Patatas is a padam. No, you have to first spot this as a padam. Suptingantam padam, yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Therefore, padam. Padante kimasti.
Sakara asti.
Sakara asti.
What is the adesha? No, what is the astani? Sakarasya. Sakara is the
Stani.
Ani.
stani.
Stani.
Sakarasya stane kaha adesha bhavati?
Repa.
Repa.
Ru.
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 Then
Who
the one becomes
with the letter, therefore you have patatar. Now patatar will become patataha.
Patataha.
That is why
Patataha.
patati, patataha, patanti. The repa will become isaraga. That is further says here. That this repa, any repa. How many repas are there? To say any repa.
Swap.
What are the two repas?
Swabhavika
Yes.
Repa and Padam.
Sakara Sthanika
Sakara
Repa.
sthanika repa.
Now what repa is this Ramar and Patatar?
They are both Padam. Padam.
Sakara Sthanika.
Sakara sthanika repa. Repa will become visarga. Any repa. Swabhavika repa hava. Sakara sthanika repa hava. Avasane atava kari pare. Kim bhavati? Visargaha bhavati. That's a rule we know, right? Repa will become visarga. I have written at the end of a padam because avasana means what? Nothing follows. Follows means it must be at the end. Yes or no? That's
Yes.
why end of the padam I have written. So Ramar will become
Rama.
Ramaha. Krishnar similarly will become.
Krishna.
Similarly Patatar will become.
Patataha.
Patataha.
That is why we get Patati Patataha Visargaha. Now Visargasya Jananam. Is it clear?
Yes.
Without doing any homework, you should remember all these things. No need to spend extra time. Understand thoroughly what it is. That's enough. This is at the end of the padam. End of the padam is, avasana. That's what I mean. Okay. Then followed by kar, what will happen? Now Ramar we have. Ramar plus kadati. Now this is it avasana is there or not? Please tell me. I'm joining these two words. Avasana
It
is
doesn't
there.
matter.
It's
Huh?
Karla.
Not there.
No. My question doesn't matter is not the answer. My question is avasana is there between Ramar and kadati. When I am joining these two words.
When you're joining, there is no avasana.
When I join.
Yeah, that's what that point is. When Samhita, close proximity is there, where is avasana? There is no
Yes.
avasana at all.
Okay.
Here there is avasana in this example. Ramar, what follows? That is at the end.
Follows.
Avasana follows. Therefore only Ramaha, Krishnaha, Patataha. But here in this example, it is Ramar followed by, there is no avasana, followed by kar letter. Therefore Ramar will become, Repa will become
Visarga.
Sargaha, Ramaha Khadati. Krishnar plus Shete
Krishna.
followed by kar letter. Krishnaha Shete. Understand?
Yes.
So Visarga comes in the place of Sakara. Sakara becomes Ru. Ru is Repa. Repa becomes Visarga when followed by Kar Avasana. Is it clear?
Yes.
Correct.
Then I have written some more. When there is a pause, pause is nothing but Avasana only. What else? That also is a separate one I have given. It's just for the sake of understanding for the students. Ramar, then there is Avasana, pause. There's a gap between the two words. It means no Sandhi. Ramar plus then Putra, then Ramaha, Putraha. So here Sandhi is there or not? Not that. Actually, more than one space are given. Ramaha, Putraha, and here also Avasana. Danda. Danda follows. Danda means pause. Indicates the end of the sentence. So therefore, Avasana. So when Avasana or Kar follows, the rule is when Avasana or Kar follows, Repa will become Visarga, whatever may be the Repa. Now Padanta Sakara becomes Repa. Yes.
So there the Upadmaniya is also optional for Ramaha and Putraha.
Yes, optional. Sandhi is not there, and only when you do Sandhi, then only Upadmaniya. Otherwise, where is Upadmaniya?
Okay.
Ramaha, Putraha, when we speak, we say Ramav Putraha without, I mean, there's no Avasana Sandhi we do. Upadmaniya also Sandhi only. What else? When followed by Ka, Kha, Pa, Pha, Visarga will become Ardha Visarga. That is Sandhi. What is Sandhi? Proximity of the letters, close proximity.
Close
Means
proximity.
no Avasana, it means joining. When you do joining. Close proximity means we are joining.
Correct.
When we join, where is Avasana? Avasana is, we technically define, Avasana is that which has more than half a matra. Only when there is less than half a matra, then only Sandhi will happen. Okay, let me put it that way. Only when the gap is less than half a matra, Sandhi will happen. If it is more than half a matra, then we can call it as Avasana, no Sandhi. Okay. Now, changes happening to Visarga. Though I have written in this book like this, but this is not the way I taught you. I taught you as taught by Panini Maharishi. Please note this here. In this notes, I prepared long back for those who will have difficulty in following the Panini system. But here I have mentioned Visarga, but it is not Visarga. You know it is Ru. You will understand. You will see that. Please see. What is Al? Al is equal to Ash plus Kar. Already we have seen when Kar follows, what will happen to Repa? Repa will become Visarga.
Yes.
Now we will see. Now, when followed by Ash or when followed by Kar, what will happen to Visarga? That is what we are going to see. Okay. When followed by Kar, what will happen? Already we have seen. Now, Visarga is there. When followed by Kar, what will happen? Visarga, in fact, it is born in the place of Repa because of Kar. And the same Kar will bring about further change. What change? What change? Sakara will come. Yes or no?
Yes.
But in the place of Repa, Visarga comes because of Kar. The same Kar will bring in the change of Sakara in the place of Visarga. Is it clear, Chitraji? Follow.
A little confused only.
What is the
But my
confusion?
confusion started from Visarga Sandhi. That's all.
From
Till then I
Visarga
was
Sandhi means
very
where
clear.
Visarga? Visarga means from the
I
very
have to
beginning you are
work
discussing
more
that.
with the Visarga Sandhi. Yes. I have to do a little more
First
practice.
listen. In the listening, understand what confusion you tell.
Okay.
Is there any confusion how Visarga is born?
It's not confusing. I understand, but still, at the present moment, I don't bring out the results actually. I don't know why. That day, my mind went just blank. That's all.
See, now I am
Kind of.
third time or fourth time repeating. Listen carefully.
Yes,
And
yes.
understand what I say. Visarga comes in the place of what? Please answer. Visarga
Repa.
comes in the place of Repa, right? Repa.
Yes, yes.
Repa, okay. What is the condition? When does Visarga come in the place of Repa?
Yes, Visarga come in the place.
At least one time you have to write it
Padanta.
what is said. When followed by Avasana or Kar.
Avasana or Kar, it becomes Visarga.
Then what is confusion here? Now I'm saying further, when followed by Kar, Visarga is replaced by Sakara. Once Visarga is born, and Visarga now could be followed by any letter, either by a vowel or by a soft consonant or by a hard consonant. Only these three are there in the language. What else is there? Vowels and consonants.
Like
Consonants
going
divided.
backwards, isn't it, Sharanji?
Huh?
It's like going backward. First Padanta Sakara becoming Repa, Ru, and Ru becomes and Repa becomes again Visarga. Again going backwards, Visarga becomes Ru. It's like, is it like this?
Visarga becomes again what? Complete.
Repa. And then
Visarga
again
doesn't become
Sakara.
Repa. No. Visarga again, where does it become Repa? Did I say anywhere like that? No. Visarga
How does it
becomes
become
sakara,
sakara
I
then?
said. Vikarga becomes
Sakara.
sakara. That sakara is
Sakara.
different, and that sakara from which
Yes,
Visarga is born
sakara
is
is,
different.
yes, yes. So many
Sak-
sakaras, creating lot of confusion.
Let it be there. Why confusion is? We mix up in our
Yes.
buddhi. That's a problem. Why?
Yeah, yes,
There's
I
no
am mixed up.
confusion.
That's what. I am
This
muddled up.
sakara, this sakara is pratyay sakara. In the
Yes.
place of sakara, pratyay sakara only ru comes, that is repa. The repa becomes visarga. Now in the place of visarga, when followed by kar, sakara comes. That sakara is adesha sakara. That is different sakara, completely different sakara. They are not same.
Yes.
Are they same? They are not same.
No.
They are completely a different sakara. How many of you have the same doubt? I don't know. Huh? Please, this Visarga, understand clearly. Once it is understood, it's understood. Then there can't be any doubt in this. Should not be. Think here, I've written. Okay, I will write again. Please follow this. Understanding must be thorough. Sakara is said, Padanta Sakara. Sakara at the end of the Padam, that is Pratyay Sakara. That alone becomes Ru. And this Ru is nothing but Repa. This Repa will become Visarga when followed by Kara Ravasana. This is how Visarga is born. Now when further we say this Visarga, when followed by Kar, it could be followed by any letter, could be followed by H, could be followed by soft consonant Hush, or followed by Kar. Now these two possibilities we will see later. What happens when followed by Kar? When followed by Kar, Visarga will become
Sakara.
the Sakara. This Sakara is and this Sakara, are they same? No.
No.
This is Pratyay Sakara, and this Sakara has come in the place of
Adesha sakara.
Visarga.
Repa.
Therefore, Adesha Sakara. They are not same.
Okay.
Understand step by step. In fact, each class I introduce one step only. I didn't introduce everything in one shot.
Pratyaya sakara.
Now, when followed by Kar, what are the Kar letters we have to know? There are 13 Kar letters, right?
Hard consonants.
Among the 13 Kar letters, we take out of this Ka, Kha, Pa, and Pa. When followed by these four, what will happen to? What happens?
Ishwamulya and Upadhmaniya.
Mamulya,
Yeah,
Padmaniya.
this Visarga will not become Sakara. Therefore, this is an exception. This is exception number 1. Apavada. Apavada, you need to remember first, then only general rule. This is exception 1. When followed by Kar, see, up to here it must be thorough. We cannot keep on doing this, repeating this, already done. Now, this Visarga which has come and is replaced by Sakara, when followed by Kar, a rule is stated. Now, for this rule, there is an exception. What is the exception? When followed by any of these four, then Visarga will not be replaced by will not be replaced by Sakara. Either Visarga can be there or we can have Ardha Visarga. This is Ardha Visarga for me. Either Visarga remains as it is, or Visarga can be replaced by this Visarga, Ardha Visarga. This is called Jikva Muliya when followed by Ka or Kha. This Ardha Visarga is called Upadmaniya when followed by or Pakara. Is it clear?
Yes. That, yes.
Yes, Parent.
Visarga replaced by Sakara when followed by Kar is general rule. This is general rule, Sakara Adesha. Now this Sakara is Adesha Sakara. You must know the difference very clearly. This is Pratyay Sakara.
Yes.
They are not same.
Okay.
When followed by Kar, among the Kar, when followed by these 4 Kar letters, then Visarga will not be replaced by Sakara.
Yes.
When having said Visarga will be replaced by Sakara when followed by Kar, now I say it will not be replaced when any of these 4 letters follow. It means this is Apavada. What else it is?
Yes.
Therefore, minus these 4, what else? Those alone when followed by. So, what are the 13 minus 4? 9. What are the 9 letters? cha,
cha, tha, tha,
ta, tha, and the
Char.
three sibilants.
Char.
6 plus 3, 9.
sha, sha, sha.
Char
When
letters.
followed by that, alone will become sakara. Yes or no?
Yes.
That's what I said. Now, this 9 letters, this alone I'm taking it and writing further. That is, I'm writing this exception, having stated exception now. What are these 9 letters? With chakara, cha, cha, sha. When any of these follows, all these are palatal. Then in that case, sakara will be replaced by corresponding palatal letter, sibilant letter, which is shakara. Simple. This is 3. And next 3 is takara, takara, then murdanya shakara. When any of these 3 follows, then sakara must be replaced by murdanya shakara. Then next, what is left out? Sakara, sakara, sakara. When any of these follows, then sakara is replaced by sakara. Sakara remains as it is, nothing replacement. So here I said 9 letters. The 9 letters are given here. Is it clear? Yes
Yes.
or no?
Yes.
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 That's what when kar letter follows happens. This is a change when kar letter follows happens. Then what is left out? Kar letter follows. And what is left out when followed by vowel or followed by soft consonants? That's the next sandhi, next rule. First understand this thoroughly. There should not be any confusion in this. Kar letters are 13. Among the 13, the 4 are removed because apavada. The rest is 9.
9.
What are those 9 letters? Here I have written 3, 3, 3. When followed by these 3, the sakara which has come in the place of visarga will undergo further change, corresponding change. The sakara which has come in the place of visarga due to kar undergoes further change because of the same following kar letter. If it is palatal, then sakara will become palatal. If it is murdanya, then becomes murdanya. Then dental, same sakara. Understand this first. What happens when followed by H and Hash, that we will see later. Next class. This first you understand this. When followed by Kar, what happens? Should not forget even in dream. Okay. Fine. Now, I'm going back to the Sandhi, where that splitting. We are doing this, right? See, I'm not adding a further Visarga Sandhi now. You have to understand what I said very clearly. Padanta Sakara, Ru is Repa, Repa become Visarga, Visarga when followed by Kar letter, replaced by Sakara. Apavada to this, Ka, Kha, Pa, Pa. This is what I said. Remember this, one line summary. Still, if you muddle up in your memory, then Bhagavan only can help. Huh? What will I do? Okay.
You are doing your best, Sharanji. But still.
We have to make it clear. It's our choice is that to confuse it or to understand it.
Yes.
So we have to exercise our choice to understand thoroughly. What is the confusion? Huh? Okay, fine. Coming back to this, I'm not adding any sandhi further. Same sandhi, I will do further class, more and more examples only from the Gita and other text. Now, this sandhi, from where we have to start? We are doing splitting.
Sharanji, we had stopped at Dhvanyartha.
Huh? What is that?
Dhvanyartha, we had done till there.
Which
We have
page
to
number,
start
you know?
9, I think.
Okay.
9th page. Dhanyartha.
In fact, all the sandhis in the class itself, we are working. Though I given all these are homework, we are doing splitting. It's elaborately given all the sandhis. You have to work. Please watch the video. Huh? Already video also is there. Notes also is given. Okay, now This Sandhi, what I just showed, 1 minute, I'll come back to this. Here I have given changes happen to Visarga. Please see. Please watch on the screen. The important point to be noted is that Visarga, when followed by Kar letter, we have to consider only the following letter. What precedes is not important. This I have told many times.
Many times, yes.
Visarga, when followed by Kar, don't bother about what precedes Visarga. Doesn't matter. Yes or no?
Yes, yes. Yes, don't.
Only when
Yes.
Visarga is followed by Ash, we have to consider what precedes Visarga. That is,
Yes.
this must be very clear. Because Kar brings about a change in the Visarga. Whereas Ash alone, not Ash alone, what precedes also matters. Preceded by Avarna, Akara, etc. brings Yakara Desha. Right? That is why what precedes is important. Or precedes by any other vowel, that no change happens. This point, please remember. Now, changes happen to Visarga when followed by Kar. Whatever I said, it's all given in this notes very elaborately. Only thing that maybe I may not have used Ru, I would have used Visarga. It's okay, but you know what it is. Visarga when followed by Kar, what happens? Visarga is replaced by Sakara. Again, I'm saying the Sakara is different from Pratyaya Sakara. This is Adesha Sakara.
Desha Sakara.
Visarga now among the Kar letter when followed by Chakara or Chakara. Then Visarga is replaced by Sakara. This is one. After that, further Sandhi will happen. We cannot stop here. Ramaha plus Charati becomes among the Kar letter. I'm taking the first two letters, Chakara and Chakara. Visarga replaced by Sakara, Ramas, Charati. After that, further Sandhi will happen. We should not stop halfway. Similarly, Ramas, Chadayati, further Sandhi will happen. That will be discussed later. We'll see. Chutta Sandhi. I'm not introducing that now. I just told you simply the Sakara will be replaced by corresponding palatal letter. That is what Chutta Sandhi, in fact. We'll see in detail later. That is not complicated, but that may be a little confusing. If you don't understand this, then that will be very confusing. Sakara is here be replaced by corresponding palatal sibilant, which is Shakara. Therefore, Ramas Chadayati. This is one thing. Okay, then when Kar letter is followed by Takara or Takara, cerebral. For example, Ramaha, Visarga is replaced by Sakara because followed by Kar letter Takara, Ramas Tikate. Similarly, Ramas Shashtaha. Here also Sakara is replaced, further Sandhi will happen. It will be replaced by corresponding sibilant cerebral, Shakara. That is next Sandhi. We will see that. We have not taught you that. I just told you Sakara replaced by Murdani Shakara. That's it. We have to see in detail. That is called Shtutva Sandhi. We will see that in detail later. When Kar letter is followed by Takara, nothing happens. Ramaha plus Tapati, Ramas Tapati. So you should be able to spot Ramaha and split that. That's what splitting is important. Ramaha Tapati. You see how spoon feeding is this document? Huh? I can send you if you want this. Earlier I told you same thing only. Something new in this. In fact, you have to write your notes. When the Kar letter is followed by Kakara or Kakara, then what happens? Then the Visarga is replaced by Ardha Visarga, Chikha Muliyam, optionally. Therefore, two forms are possible. Either Ramaha plus Kadati can remain as it is, or Ramaha plus Kadati, Ramakh Kadati. When followed by Pakara or Pakara, then will be replaced by Ardha Visarga, that is called Upadmaniya. Therefore, Ramaha Patati or Ramav Patati. Is it clear?
Yes,
Now,
Your
when
Honor.
followed, having said all this, and what is left out? Shar alone is left out. When followed by Shar, which is a subset of Kar, yes or no?
Yes.
It comes
When
under
followed
this.
by Shar, Visarga is replaced by Sakara optionally. Therefore, we have two forms. Among the Kar letter, Shar is a subset. When Shar letter follows, replacement of Visarga by Sakara is optional. When followed by Ka, Kha, Pa, Pa, Visarga is replaced by Ardha Visarga optionally. That is number one. That is exception. Number two, when shar follows, visarga replaced by sakara is optional. Therefore, two
Okay.
forms are there. Ramaha plus Srijati, for example, Ramaha Srijati or Ramas Srijati. Any shar letter. Is it clear?
Yes, Sharanji.
Chitraji, yeah?
Yes, Sharanji, I understand. But
You have to
still,
understand,
like
you have to
you
remember.
say,
Don't still,
Kala Kramena, I will definitely understand. With
no
more
still
practice.
and still but and all these things. You have to understand. No but still.
I will
No.
understand.
Then Shitra Sandhi, that we will see later. I will not introduce now. It will be too much. Don't understand this, then out of question that. Okay, this you follow first. Now, coming back to the Sandhi, Vicheda. Nagari plus Yati. Okay, Dhvani plus Arthaha. Nagaryati. What Sandhi is that?
Yan.
Yan Sandhi.
Split that. What are the words?
Nagari
Nagari plus
plus
Ati.
Ati.
Yes.
Nagari is Strilinga. Either Strilinga or Napumsakalinga is Nagaram, Nagare, Nagarani, or Nagari, Nagaryav, Nagaryaha. Nadi
Nagaryaha.
Shabdavat. Not Nagaryaha.
Nagaryaha.
Nadi Shabdavat Nagaryaha.
Nagaryaha.
So Nagari plus Iti Nagaryati. Nadya Yaichat.
Nadyau Yechat. Aichat. Nadyau Aichat. Ayadi.
Sharanji, did you say Nagari plus Iti?
Ati.
Nagari
It
plus
has to
Ati.
be
Not
Ati.
not Iti.
Ati.
Yeah. Ati, yeah.
Yeah.
Nagari plus Ati Nagaryati. Nadya, okay. Nadya Yaichat. What Sandhi is that?
Ayadi.
Nadyau.
Then
Nadyau.
if
Plus
it is Nadya, will not
Aichat.
Vakara come? Come on, huh? How when you say, will it not Vakara comes?
Vriddhi Sandhi.
The I
Nadya.
Yeah, what is that, Sindharaji?
the I
Listen.
Huh.
No, 1 minute, one person at a time. Sindharaji, what did you say? Say it again.
I wasn't sure of this, Sharanji, but I have written Nadi,
Hmm.
Ik followed by Asavarna Ach, I thought.
No, what is
Nadi,
this? Nadi plus Ayachat. There is no word Ayachat in the language.
Oh, okay.
Nadya plus Aichat.
Nadya plus? Really?
Ekchat.
Nadya plus Ayachat, if you say, please join and see whether you have this, get the form. Nadya is, what Vibhakti Nadya is?
Tritiya.
Nadi Nadyo Nadyaha, Nadim Nadyo Nadihi, Nadya Tritiya. Then
Yeah.
what do you say?
Right.
Aichata. A plus I, what Sandhi? A plus I, what Sandhi?
Vriddhi.
Avarna
Vriddhi
followed by.
Sandhi.
Vriddhi.
Then what will
Vriddhi
happen?
Sandhi.
A
E
plus
should
I,
come. It cannot be A.
Nadya
Yeah.
Ichati will get. Is it what we have?
No.
That is wrong.
Aichat is not there.
Aichat.
Aichat.
Now think. So she said correctly almost Chitra, Indira, but she said Nadyau, that is wrong. Av is wrong. If it is Av, Nadyau, Vakara will not come. O and Av is Av and Av. Is it over there? See, how we have to split. Aichatu, you first you remove that. Then what do you have? Nadyai. Then Yakara must have come in the place of.
Oh.
What is this Yakara? I. You have to take it as I. Yes or no?
I. Yeah,
I must have come in the place of.
I.
I.
I. Nadyai.
Therefore, I. It must have come in the place of I. Therefore,
Ayadi.
Nadya.
not Ayadi only. Nadyai plus.
Aichat.
What is Nadyai? Nadya, Nadibhyam, Nadibihi. Nadyai,
Nadya
Nadibhyam,
is
Chaturthi.
Chaturthi. 4-1.
There is no, it's not Nadyau. If it is Nadyau plus Aichat,
Yes.
then what must have been? It must have become Nadya Vaichat. Is it Nadya Vaichat?
No.
Is it Va? O and Au is Au and
Yes.
Au. Yakara is there only in A and I. You have to filter it like that.
Yes.
This is simple, in fact. This is once you know Aichat, you can split. Even otherwise also it's fine. Nadya you have to spot. There's no other way of splitting this. How will you split this? Think. Nadyeyam. Next one. How do you split this?
Nadya
All the words
plus
are not. Huh?
Nadya plus Iyam.
What sandhi?
Guna.
Gunasandhi.
Gunasandhi.
Yes. A plus E is A. Nadyeyam. You see, that's correct. Naraka yaiva. Sankaro naraka yaiva. Kulagnanam.
Plus
Kulasya
Eva.
cha.
Naraka plus Eva.
Vriddhi.
Vriddhi sandhi.
No.
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 Naraka,
No.
there is no word naraka. Naraka
Narakaya.
only is there.
Narakaya eva.
Narakaya plus eva. That's
Narakaya
correct.
plus eva.
Oh,
Chaturthi of Naraka Shabda, Narakaya plus Eva, Narakayaiva. Naraka, the word is not the Naraka only. There is no Naraka. Srilinga Naraka means what? All Srilinga will be there in that place, huh? Naraka. Huh? For Pullinga one Naraka, for Srilinga other Narakas. Huh? We don't have. Thank God, Bhagavan has not created like that. Huh? All, there also men and women have to live together only. No choice. Narena Varena.
Narena plus Avarena.
Narayana plus Avarena. Savarna Dirgha.
Yes. Narena Tritiya of Narashabda.
So, Narakaya Eva what is?
Vriddhi.
Narakaya plus
Vriddhi.
Eva.
Narakaya plus Eva. Vriddhi. Okay. Right.
Already I have highlighted here that I is there. I must have come in the place of I is a Vriddhi Sandhi. Simple.
Yes.
I is a Vriddhi letter. Vriddhi Sandhi. Narayanopanishad.
Narayana plus
Nara-
Gunasandhi.
O
Upanishad.
letter is there. Guna letter. Therefore must be Guna Sandhi. Narayana plus Upanishad, Narayanopanishad. Katha plus Upanishad, Kathopanishad. Mundaka plus Upanishad, Mundakopanishad. Like that.
Narena Varena. Varena.
Narena plus Avarena.
Avarena.
Just Savana Dirgha.
Savarnadi.
Naryadaraha.
Nari
Plus
plus
Adara.
Nari
Adara.
plus Adaraha.
Yen Sandhi.
Gunasandhi.
Adar. Yen Sandhi. Not Gunasandhi. Yen Sandhi.
Yan Sandhi. Ah, yes. Yeah.
Yen.
Sorry.
Nari
Yen.
plus Adaraha.
Naraka. Yan
Na
Sandhi.
vidvamsaha. Gita.
Na
Avidvam.
plus
Savarna Dirgha.
Savarna
Na
Yes.
Avidvam.
Avidvamsaha. Nasika anuswarasya.
Nasika plus
Nasika
Anuswarasya.
Anuswarasya.
A plus
Savarna Dirgha.
Savarnadi.
Na Asit.
Huh?
Na
Na plus
Asit.
Asit.
Yeah. Na plus asit. There is no asit in the language.
Charanji,
Asit. Yeah.
Charanji, in the previous one, is it Nasika or Nasika? Hrasva?
Nasika.
Nasika only. Srilinga.
Oh, okay.
That's why I put avagraha here. Nasika plus anuswarasya. Nasika, nasike, nasika. Nasika is akaranta shabda Strilinga. Nasit. Na plus asit. Asit is lang lakara past tense. Asit, astam, asan. We have to learn all those things. We are not learning shabda. We are not learning. Then only we learn all these things. Huh? 5 or 56 class today. I don't have problem. We can learn slowly. There's no lot of time is there, but up to you.
Bhagavan only can save you there.
Na plus asit. Asit, astam, asan. I'm afraid to introduce other lakaras. We don't know this. The other lakaras only learn. Huh? Asit, astam, asan, asti. Asti sasanti, you know. We'll work on this so simple kriyapadams. Time is not there. Maybe next class. Neela Kashaha.
Neela
Neela Akashaha.
Akashaha.
Savarna Dirgha.
Savarna Dirgha.
So, Netrotsava. Oh.
Netani.
Netra Utsava Guna.
Netra Utsavaha.
Hmm.
Guna.
Yeah. O means Guna Sandhi. Guna letter. Guna is A plus U. Netra plus Utsava. It could be Netra also, but Netra, there is no word in the language. Netra is Napumsakalinga. Netra, Netram, Netre, Netrani. That's how you have to narrow it down. Whether the Shabda is there in the language or not, you have to. Of course, you know Netram, Napumsakalinga it is. Nedanim.
Na Idanim.
Idani.
Guna.
Na
Guna.
plus Idanim. Neyam.
Guna.
Na plus
Na
Yam.
Yam is Strilinga. Idam Shabdasya Pratama Ekavachana Rupam.
Pratama.
Yam. Nevedam.
Na
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 plus
plus
idam.
iva plus
Guna.
idam.
Na
Guna.
plus idam. No.
Iva plus idam.
Pa
Iva.
plus idam.
Na plus iva.
Plus
Three
iva
words are
plus
there.
idam. Yeah,
Na,
three.
A is guna letter. Here also A guna letter. Therefore guna sandhi. Na plus iva. Neva plus idam. Nevedam. Suppose if it is naivedam.
Na eva.
That is
Na
right.
plus eva plus idam. Naite sati parthajanan Gita.
Na
Plus
ete.
ete.
Na ete vriddhi.
Nainam chandanti shastrani. Nainam. What is
Na
Na
nainam?
enam.
enam.
na plus enam.
Na plus enam
Naiveha.
vriddhi.
Partha Neveha
plus
Namutra. Na plus?
evam plus
Eva
iva.
plus
Enam.
ha.
Iva.
Yes. Eva plus a. Guna. Vriddhi as well as guna. Noshnaha.
Na plus
Na
ushna.
ushna. Guna.
Guna letter. Na plus ushnaha. Okay. I think we have to stop here. If I see how many files I have opened, you see, there are about 10 word files. Thought of teaching. Yeah? Anyway, just for Sandhi and all, I will do it. Did you please? But you need to do homework. That what all shabda I gave. Takaranta, Dakaranta, Chakaranta, Jakaranta, and last class I gave Hakaranta shabda, Dhattvam. I taught you Dhattvam, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
That order also important. Jastam, Rutvam, Shatvam, Natvam, then Jastam, Chartam, and Chartam too. Okay. I will not introduce further Sandhi till we practice this thoroughly, understand this. Okay, we'll
Yeah.
stop here. We will see. If you want to have class tomorrow, tell me. Tomorrow we can have. Tomorrow I don't have any class in the morning. I mean, online class. You tell me if you want. We'll do the same thing.
We can do
Let me-
revision.
At what time will it be, Sharanji? Same time?
Morning I'm free. I don't have online class morning tomorrow. Your choice. Let me know. I've got a Gurukulam class at 9:30. Before that, what
Can we have it in the afternoon, Sharanji?
afternoon? What afternoon? 1 o'clock. I've got class
Yeah.
at 2:30 here. 1 o'clock we can meet. If you are all okay, fine. Let me know.
Yeah.
It's okay
I
for
will do the
me.
same thing again. I'm going to revise this and do practice. Only practice. So
Yes.
1 o'clock. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, 1 o'clock. We soon. All of you fine, right? 1 o'clock we'll meet tomorrow.
I
Yes,
won't be there,
Sharanji.
sir. Traveling to
Yes,
Bangalore.
Sharanji.
Okay. How many of you will be coming? You just send me a message. Can do.
Yes.
Yes, I'll come.
Yeah, I can come.
Okay, we'll do. Same Sandhi, more. Yes, sir.
Will
What is
you be posting tomorrow's recording also in the same playlist?
same playlist? Yes, yes. Same continuation only.
Okay, then I will follow from there.
Okay. So we will meet tomorrow 1 o'clock, right?
Yes.
Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om. Dhanyavadaha. Keep chanting Sham Shabdas every day, one Shabda, like Nitya Karma. Really, we memorize the Shabdas, basic Shabdas. Given a word, we should be
Yes.
able to spot what Vibhakti, what Vachanam. Sandhi also it is useful, much useful. Otherwise, how will you split? You don't know what word is. Ikaranta, that is Nadi Shabda, Rama Shabda, etc. Okay.
Yes.
Dhanyavadaha.
ధన్యవాదాలు, శరణ్.